Hello and welcome back to Bubbles Rises. This week, we'll be doing some openings of Xanathar's treasure. So let's start with pack number 1. As I understand it, there are some that are of a certain rarity, more than others. Ooh, these are neat little dice bags too. Sorcery points. That's pretty cool. Decision coin. Nice Xanathar's dice bag. Let's check out the dice set. It's an interesting one for sure. I like the colors in this. The color combination is pretty unique. Those look really nice, actually. I like this, greenish yellow. Yeah. Full 7-piece set, a collectible coin, and a collectible dice bag. Yeah, I'll take it. This is pretty cool. I didn't pull anything crazy rare this time, though, and I understand there are different rarities, so we'll see how that goes. This is pack opening number 1. I'll be putting this in my dice case. Just a moment. Thanks for watching.